ISL100's controllers, we found a whole bunch of different fingers. One of the controllers came from Boston, and the other one came from the Atlantic Shoreline or York Utilities. And those companies, both of them, were not putting any money into the controllers at the end, so they used whatever parts they had. And we found that the controller fingers, there were at least 3 different types and probably more. This one is a Russell reversible finger. That is the tip. This is the tip that they use, and it's badly worn. You can see the other side, it has not been worn. What they did was they'd take that end off, flip it over, and they could get double wear out of it. So there's a few of those in there. This is a more modern type, what they call the compensating finger, and it's one that the tip is bolted on, and the compensation means that if it's crooked, this spring forces it running straight, and it's the best kind. There were a few of them in the car. And then what we found the most of, there's out of the 30 fingers, there were 20 of them that were this old style type with the tip riveted on. Unfortunately, before this picture was taken, we had ground them all off. But there's a little stud in there. And can I have a new finger, a new tip, please, nurse? So there's a tip. This is all. Well, try that again.
Don't drop it. You might break it.
This tip is going to be peened over, which is going to be an interesting job. And we will rivet it back on, and that's what we're going to do in a moment here. But I'm thinking of something we also need to do. I'm wondering if we took a piece.
So you're explaining what you're doing now?
Okay, what we're doing now is peening with a ball peen hammer. We're peening over the end.
There's nothing I can do about it.
If I hit that right in the center.
And not my finger.
Now the other thing we might do is use a, I have rivet sets. But once you get it started, you got to be pretty aggressive about this, Jim. You're just too nice a guy. You've got to really hit this hard. Now, see if that's down there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's in there.
Okay, it just needs to be going around the edge
Yeah,
so that
you need to flatten it more.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll let somebody else do that. Now, what I was looking
Here,
for.
hold this inferior one.